HYCULES Eco Shearing Machine, Model 8x2500, is a practical and cost-effective solution for sheet metal cutting. Equipped with the S-Stun E21S control system, it provides simple operation, accurate back gauge control, and stable performance in daily production. The machine is designed with a strong structure to ensure reliable cutting quality and long service life. Suitable for processing various metal sheets, it is an ideal choice for customers who need efficient operation, easy maintenance, and dependable performance at an economical investment level.